Welcome to GlobalGPT, your all-in-one AI platform for text, images, video, and more. Let's dive in and see what you can create today. First, sign in to your GlobalGPT account to get started. Today we're using Midjourney V7, one of the most powerful and artistic AI image generators in the world. It's especially popular for visual storytelling, anime illustrations, and fantasy concept art. I had a dream last night. I saw a beautiful boy with long silver hair and soft golden eyes. His presence felt peaceful and warm. Now let's bring this moment to life using Midjourney. Close-up portrait of a beautiful anime-style boy, vibrant long white hair flowing naturally, detailed golden sparkling eyes, soft delicate facial features, elegant blue flower earrings, soft shadow and lighting effects, high-quality anime illustration, gentle expression, vivid color palette, highly detailed, cinematic anime aesthetic. Here's what Midjourney V7 generated. A dreamy, highly detailed anime portrait that captures the essence of what I saw. Dreams can be fleeting, but with tools like Midjourney, we can capture them forever. Thanks for watching. With GlobalGPT, your next idea is just a prompt away. Hit subscribe and stay ahead with the latest AI tools.